If you're building your first coding portfolio, you might be asking yourself, what kind of project should I make? With so many options out there, it's easy to get stuck in between too simple to impress and too big to finish. Here's a secret. Great portfolio projects aren't just about showing off. They're about showing how you think. A good idea will challenge you, teach you, and tell a clear story to anyone who looks at it. So how would we spot one? Let's take a look. Start with a realistic scope. Your project doesn't have to reinvent the internet, and what matters is that it works end to end. Think small but solid. A simple budgeting app that actually tracks expenses is better than a half-finished AI-powered investment engine. Employers want to see that you can take an idea from start to finish, design it, build it, test it, and ship it. Ambition is great, but completion is better. Next, we can showcase functionality. Every feature should have a purpose. A button should do something, a chart should tell a story, and an API should add a real value. When people view your project, they're not just looking at your code, they're trying to imagine you as part of their team. So make it easy for them to see what you can do. Include a short demo, clear navigation, and maybe a few screenshots or a live link. A portfolio project should work like a product, not just read like a GitHub repository. Then, as always, document clearly, add a README that explains what your project does, how to run it, and what you have learned from building it. You can even include short notes on the challenges you faced and how you solved them. Good documentation shows communication skills, and that's a huge bonus. Remember, your portfolio isn't just for developers. Hiring managers, recruiters, and non-technical teammates might read it too. Finally, think about user experience. Even a small project feels professional when it's pleasant to use. Pay attention to layout, colors, and flow. Does it make sense? Is it intuitive? You don't need a design degree to care about the person clicking the buttons. Building empathy is what separates a functional app from a good one. So, when you're choosing your next project idea, aim for this: clear scope, solid functionality, thoughtful documentation, and a great experience. Because the best portfolio projects tell people you understand how to solve problems and build something that people actually want to use. Welcome to the part of your journey where your code starts to speak for you.